Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today another quick video to kind of wrap up our Adobe Flash series. So what happens if you get to the point, and a number of you have made these comments in my videos, if you've upgraded your browser accidentally or happened automatically and you didn't block browser updates from happening. I'm going to show some examples today about things you can do to deal with that. It's not the easiest situation, but if you had listened to some of the things I mentioned in some of my previous videos, it will help you. But probably if you're at this video, you're probably in trouble and you're looking for a solution. So I don't know, I'm going to try to share a bunch of things and step through an example and simulate my environment and show you basically some options. So with that, let's start looking at this. So you can see my screen here. I have a Windows 10 virtual machine. Let's just take a few real quick examples. And by the way, at the end of this narrative, when I show you all this, I'm going to show you the actual steps I took to upgrade all my browsers so that they would remove Flash and also physically remove the Flash player from the directory that it's installed to. So first, let's just take a look at this. If I open Chrome, you're going to see, I'll come back to the other page, you're going to see if I try to load some Flash content, it's not going to work. So if I try to open a page, it now says Adobe Flash Player is no longer supported. And there's nothing you can do because Chrome has been updated, right? And I mentioned in my previous video, I think it was version 88 or some version of Chrome at some point in January removes the ability to play Flash. So what you can do is you can get an older version of Chrome before that update, something from 2020, install it. You can disable automatic updates and you might get some luck there. You still have to follow the instructions I have in my other videos where you create the mms.config file and all that kind of thing. But anyway, let's just show this. So here we have Chrome is disabled. It says that no longer loads anything. Let's take a look at Firefox. And by the way, this is the exact same machine that I did all my other demos with. So if I go to that same page, and basically it's just not working. Let's put HTTPS to be safe. So it's just black. There's no ability to even click up here and turn on Flash because Flash was removed from the browser. And not only that, but here in the Windows syswow64 macromed Flash directory, I actually ran the uninstaller for the Flash player, similar to what the Windows update will do. I couldn't run the Windows update to actually remove the Flash player. Every time I tried to download various versions of Windows 10 Flash removal, it didn't work for some reason. I actually had a blue screen. Anyway, I was able to remove it, and I'll show the video clips of me doing all of that. Likewise, Edge, Microsoft Edge based on Chrome follows the same process. Because it auto-updated, it can no longer load Flash. The plugin isn't supported. And because I uninstalled Flash from this folder, even Internet Explorer at this point will not load Flash. If I hadn't uninstalled from that folder in the syswow64 path, Internet Explorer still works, just so you know. So let's load that example. Come down here. The plugin isn't supported. Actually, sorry, I'm loading the wrong browser. That was opening Edge. Let's load it in Internet Explorer. And just a black screen. No support for Flash because I uninstalled the Flash player. Now, you can try to reinstall it, but from what I've read, when Windows Update removes it at some point this summer, you won't be able to reinstall it. Anyways, so, you know, one thing I have done, and I've mentioned this in some of my other videos talking about the portable version of Firefox and the portable version of Chrome. I'm going to just show that I've installed it in this folder. And actually, if I open this, and I think I have a bookmark in here. So there's actually instructions. It's a well-known developer from Microsoft, Raymond.cc. He knows all kinds of history. He's worked at Microsoft for decades. He has this article where he talks, I believe it's this guy. Anyway, he talks about how to use the portable version of Firefox or Opera and enable Flash. And these are kind of the steps I did for my version of Firefox. I'm going to just show that example. So I've done a few things in here, and I'm going to run. And one important thing to note, the portable version of Firefox still looks for its configuration file in this folder here. So even though I uninstalled Flash, notice I still have my mms.config file. So if I run this, portable version of Firefox, and I took those steps from that Raymond.cc article, which I will put in the description of this video. Let's see if I can load my Flash content. Okay, this is run Adobe Flash. It's all the same prompts as before. Bingo. So it's because this version of the browser, I turned off automatic updates, and it's kind of tucked away in a special folder because it's meant to be able to run on a USB drive. So this is showing the portable version of Firefox, and I had to follow the steps in that Raymond.cc article that I mentioned. Now let's go back and try out Chrome. Chrome's a little bit different. I can't find a full version. Like if I look here in this directory structure, you can, when you download the portable version of Firefox, it's the full install, but for Chrome it's just like a bootstrap, a very small executable file, so it's not actually that version of Chrome that you want. So with Chrome, because I downloaded a version from last year and I kept it on my system, it's got an older version of Chrome which doesn't have Flash removed, and it has auto updates disabled. So when I go into this folder where I pre-installed this last year, it's going to work. And you'll notice here in my directory structure down here, I have an mms.config file in this certain path within the Google Chrome portable directory structure. It's not within the normal Chrome area. And because I have that MMS config file copied there, and this version of the browser still supports Flash, and all the uninstalls, even Microsoft Windows Update, will not find this copy of Chrome with its Flash version. This will be able to withstand all of that. So this will last for a while. So if I go load my Flash content, click to enable Flash, allow, and it says Flash is out of date, run this time, and there we go. So both Firefox and Chrome versions are working. And so just for the fun of it, I'm going to see if I can reinstall the Flash player after uninstalling it, and I believe it's this one. Let's see if I can reinstall the Flash player. Application initialization error. That didn't look so good. Let's try. Oh, and it just disappeared. What do you know? So Windows actually just deleted my Flash player installer for some reason. So yeah, good luck with that. So coming back to some of my previous videos, in my Flash folder here under downloads, I do have my version of the Firefox portable and my version of the Chrome portable browsers that are the correct version that still run Flash. You would have to, if you were to download those, it's not really advisable because again, there's no updates for those browsers, etc. But the Chrome version has its own mms.config file. You would have to edit that or just copy your existing file into that folder and it should work. And if you're using the Firefox portable browser, you have to copy it into this path here, and technically they should work. So that's all for today's video. I will show those video clips of previously when I updated all the browsers and uninstalled the Flash player. And hopefully this video helps you guys. And thanks, that's it for today.